Namaste everyone, this is Sandeep and welcome to my channel Only Study. Today I'm going to take your test. It is a lesson 1, components of environment, and it will be revision come test, right? But before we begin, I want you all to subscribe this channel and press bell icon not to miss the coming videos. Let's start. So here we have questions. The first question is write the definition and characteristics of the environment. So definition, it is very simple, but will be, yes, everything that surrounds us is called environment, right? And if we talk about its characteristics, then it is just like a life support system, right? And it provides us air, water, land, etc. Okay, so these are the characteristics. Now next question we have, define natural and man-made environment. So as we know, and two examples also. So as we know, natural and man-made environment can be divided into natural and man-made. So natural includes everything that we get from nature. For example, trees, land, air, water, right? Human beings also a part of natural environment. Then after man-made environment, everything that man has made for his environment. For example, your bed, your chair, your table, your mobile phone, your books, everything that are man-made things and are the examples of those things. Next question now, differentiate between physical and biological environment. So physical and biological environment. What is physical environment? Physical environment, think answer, and what you need to do for this, you need to pause the video and then answer yourself. Then after again play the video and listen to me what answers I'm giving to you, right? So here we have physical and biological. So physical environment includes all non-living things, right? Non-living things like water, air, land, such things. These are physical things, physical environment. And biological, living things like animals, trees, such things. Okay, these are biological. Everything that has life is our biological environment, and everything that is in our environment and is non-living. Okay, I hope it is clear to you now. Next question we have, what does lithosphere mean? So lithosphere, I had told you, lithosphere, L for land. Okay, so it is related to land. It is the sphere of rocks. Okay, it provides us land on which we live. It provides soil for the trees, such things. Okay, next we have sorry, which layer is rich in silica and magnesium? So I had told you 3 layers, 1 2 3. This is rich in silica and magnesium, Sima. This is known as Sima. And then after here it is Sial, and then after here Nife. Okay, I hope it is clear. So first one is Sial, then after Sima, and then after Nife. Then after next question we have, which layer is, it is already done, I just told, mixture of Sima, second layer. Okay, below Sial layer there is Sima layer. Write the advantages of lithosphere. So I have already told you, provides land for living beings, soil for the plants. Okay, then after we have, where is Sima generally found? So I told you on the it is upper layer. Okay, it is rich in upper layer of the earth. Then after, what do you understand by the word atmosphere? Atmosphere means envelope of air. Okay, it works like an envelope of air and it surrounds us. Okay. Then after here, what is the extent of atmospheric envelope? So its extent is 1600 kilometers. Okay, I hope clear. Let's move to the next. Here we have hydrosphere. What is hydrosphere? So sphere of water is known as hydrosphere. Okay, the sphere which has water. Anyway, you can write. Which planet is called blue planet? So it is Earth. It is also known as water planet. And why? Because water is in abundance on the Earth. So it is known as water planet, and it is called blue because it looks blue due to the presence of water. Next we have, how much of the Earth's surface is covered by water? So it is 71%, right? How much of the total water the oceans cover? So they cover 96.5%. Which hemisphere has more water and how much? So I had told you two spheres of the Earth. This is northern, this is south. Okay, so north has only 43 and south has 53, right? So which hemisphere has most of the water? 53% in the southern hemisphere. I hope it is clear. What is biosphere? So biosphere is a sphere where the life exists. Okay, in that sphere in which life exists, it is called biosphere. Why is it important to us? Because life, it is important for life. All the things, all the components that are needed for the life, they are found in biosphere or in this sphere. I hope it is clear. When did Indian government pass Wildlife Protection Act? So it was passed by the Indian government in 1972. Okay, Indian government had passed Wildlife Protection Act in 1972 for what? For protecting wildlife diversity. Then after we have, how are human beings disturbing the natural environment? So it is very easy. They are cutting trees, they are making roads, they are polluting, and such things you can add. Okay, so this is all for the day. Again I will say, subscribe the channel, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon to miss the coming videos. One more thing, I will make Hindi video of this topic also. Okay, and it will be uploaded for both the lessons. On Sunday I will upload Hindi videos of these two lessons, first and second, right? And next you have to read lesson 3 and find out difficult word meanings. This is your homework. That's all. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.